Welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things automotive. Today we're excited to show you some budget-friendly LED taillights that we recently picked up on Amazon. LED taillights are a great upgrade for any vehicle, offering improved visibility and a sleeker look, but oftentimes they can be quite expensive. So we've been on the hunt for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality or style. Alright, so first we're going to start with unboxing these taillights. We picked them up off of Amazon for pretty reasonable price, so let's get into unboxing. Initially it looks like everything is pretty well packaged. There's a ton of foam just to protect these taillights from getting damaged while shipping. Once we get everything out of the box, we're going to go ahead and inspect the taillights, make sure there's no damage to them, and then we'll go ahead and start the installation process. The first thing we noticed when we opened the box was the quality of the taillights. They have a nice weight to them, and the housing feels like it's actually pretty durable. Overall, our first impressions are positive. Now let's get into the install. We'll go ahead and install the driver's side LED light taillight first. The process is simple and straightforward. You just need to remove the old taillight and plug in the new one. These plug directly into the factory harness where the old light bulb would go, and then your reverse light just seats up inside of them. These are for a 4th gen Ram, 2500, 3500 without LED rear tail lights. Alright, the first thing you're going to notice here, we've got this DZ tailgate assist, so you're going to have to pop this off. This is a simple just screwdriver up in here, pop it loose so we can actually get to everything fairly easy, and then you should be able to take the two bolts out here, screws, and then this should pop straight out. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, the only thing I would say about these is they do have an open hole here. These are pretty well sealed up top, but I may go ahead and add a seal back here, just slip it over, that comes up and pops into here. But anyways, so these, go ahead and plug these in. Alright, when installing these taillights, make sure that you put the corresponding wires in the corresponding place. So if you have this flipped upside down where the black is on top with the blue and brown, right, and the red is down here with the black, they're not going to work. So just make sure you orient this plug the correct way. It does come with extra clips for your taillight to clip into, but we're not going to use those. We're just going to pop them out. install our screws. Okay, make sure you don't over tighten them, they're just going in the plastic. Alright, so this side's done, so we're going to go ahead, pop our DZ tailgate assist back on. This thing's awesome, so super awesome. Just pops back on like that, and we're done with this side. We're going to move on to the next side. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do the passenger side tail light now. The driver's side was pretty easy. We got it out. The new LED tail light went right in smoothly. It took us about maybe 5 minutes at most to install that side, so total we're looking at probably about 15 minutes to get these done. I haven't looked to see if there's any codes, but I don't think there's any actual codes on the dash right now for any lights out or anything like that, so I think this company did pretty good with that being said. Alright, so you can see here black's on the bottom, black's on the bottom on our harness we're plugging in, so we should be good to go. Everything should function. Before you put the screws in, make sure that these function. Alright, everything's functioning good, so we're going to go ahead and put the screws in. Okay, those are nice and snug. I'll go ahead and put the link down below in the video, probably somewhere around here, and you guys can snag these on Amazon if you are interested in purchasing these. I'll also have a link down in the description below, so make sure you check out the description for more stuff on Amazon that you can purchase to include these taillights. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in and watching our review of these budget-friendly LED taillights from Amazon. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've tried these taillights out yourself. And as always, stay tuned for more automotive content from our channel.